Welcome to One-on-One TV, my people. I greet all of you according to our time. As it be like this, they don't arrest some of our Nigerian brothers inside Ghana. And also on ourselves go the one that say, what did these people do now? We go make them arrest them. We hear say then this set of Nigerian guys have been a men, I go call them. Decide say they won't call for meeting for Malam Junction for Accra. I don't know what these people want discuss, but they say what they want discuss now about IPOB. Well, this one means say indigenous people of Biafra. I don't know since when Biafra don't start to they enter inside Ghana. Well, this one I no go do na meeting for Nigeria now inside Ghana. On a decide say na one do. Before these people go even say make they recite the Biafran anthem. Now then Ghana police on a no now they need to waste time. Now there they go boss then these people, my people beg. Make na follow me watch.
Another one, our people with their lesson. Watch and see this happening in Ghana. They are letting our people. This is another one. Another car. Can you see? This is another car. Can you see?
Great Nigerians, on a carry on a problem all the way from Niger. Carry them enter. It be like someone don't even like peace of mind. On I won't do this kind of meeting. Why be so on I no do am in private? On I no call on ourselves in secret. All of na come gather. So on I won't go do am in the open. Say what on they do. And this one no be protest. And I sure say na person I ain't go sell this group. Because how police want to know say this kind Nigerian guys they for here they do this kind of meeting. And they very certain say na person I ain't go report this whole thing. But this one we on ourselves do it they very wrong. On I know say no be inside on our country on they on supposed to respect these people rule. Because I know say every country get their rule. And as it be Ghana and Nigeria, those are our two presidents. And I'm supposed to say these people that they work hand in hand. 419 ministers, in fact, they know themselves well. So if now when they reason this kind, on I'm not supposed to reason and carry up enter inside Ghana. So I won't go do this kind of thing for them. But anyway, I hope say our Nigerian embassy, our big government, go find something to do about on her because me say the reason now, sooner or later, they feel carry on her. Say they want deport on her, but anyway, the road no far. Now still road and I go use take enter. So make we not to complain about that one. But I beg, if say now European countries on a day, fine on her go fit do that one. Maybe because now they see all these American people they come outside, they demonstrate saying IPOB do this, IPOB. Them they fit do one. But no carry them enter inside Africa. In which you know say for Africa, this IPOB of a group say they don't believe say these people now then they cause wahala inside Nigeria. So now not supposed go Ghana go they do this kind one. But hopefully I pray say they go release on her. My people now here I go end this one for today. If you not get anything to talk about them, you can write them inside the comment section. Stay tuned for the next video.